Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Ricky and today I will teach how to do a proper top turn. The top turn happens after you do a bottom turn. So on the top turn we need to project by the side and we need to look up to the lip of the wave. We project our body. When we start to reach the 80% of the wave, we need to look back to the beach. So we project our body because we have this delay between the body and the board. We start to look back, my board is gonna keep going. I look back, pointing my arms again to the beach so I can finish this maneuver. I point, I go up, pressure on the back so you can carve with your fins and get lower. In this video we can see a surfer creating some speed, so we can do a vertical top turn using his arms to keep the balance. With this surfer we see a wide bottom turn. It's going to result in a wide top turn, taking most of the water outside with a lot of pressure on the fins. Hey guys, I hope I could help you improving your technique. If you enjoyed, please follow us for some more videos.